Hey guys, back again. Alan with the 2012 MK6 Jetta 2012 Volkswagen SE 2.5. Today we are going to be doing a review on how to unlock your locked seatbelts. So as y'all can see, I had to remove all these panels, everything. The black panel that goes here. So this is pretty simple, guys. All you gotta do is pop this tabs up, this orange tabs up, and then pop it. Take the it's kind of hard with my hand, but take that fuse off. It looks like that, and then you take this other fuse off, just like that. So there's two fuses that come off. You'll be able to snatch it off the fuse thing. So first things first, guys, this is tab right here. It has some small little hose right in their little circle. Then you have to pop sideways or pop up. I don't know how you do it, but you have to pop them somehow up. And I don't know how I did it. I'll show you a little bit of that should go. So this little hose in here, somehow what worked for me better was you pry it up right here in this corner. You can see it. It's already kind of lifted. So you pop it up from there and then just go around. Same thing, just make sure you don't break the little tabs that go on the side that will be holding on this, because I don't think them little tabs. So this little magical thing right here is what makes everything lock. So you pop that out just like that, take this out, don't need that no more. And this little tabs right here, you're gonna push in the middle, of the little tabs. You know, you'll see a little three corner in the middle. That's where your little click thing or presser clip, whatever, will be going back in. So just clip that thing back on, clip it back on there, and then with a little pusher, you push that thing back in. Little clip holders, make sure you don't push them all the way in, just like I did there. So don't retract, right? So you'll be cutting, you see the long, so this is how it is. It's long in there like this. This tubing holds a mechanism, but I haven't took it out of this, excuse me, I haven't took it out of this one yet, but you'll be cutting a section, a line right here, a line right here, and then you'll be cutting a line right here and a line right here, and this whole little square should come out. I'll show y'all right now. So if you can see there, one side's already cut and the other side is just lined up, so y'all can see where I'm cutting, right on top, on the top. So this the right side is cut and this side is just pre-lined so you can see what I'm about to cut. Okay, so there goes. That's what you want to be looking at. This little thing right here. So you could actually roll in the thing. I mean, you roll in your seatbelt, and the thing right here will be coming out. Which this right here is your lock, and you don't need this no more. Not if you're doing this. So now I got a retractable seatbelt that is not locked. So like and subscribe. Let me know if any questions or anything y'all didn't understand, what y'all didn't see, what, you know, anything of that nature. But pretty simple. And it still works when you brake, so that's still a plus. Don't have to go and buy new belts or something, you know. All you gotta do is just fix the one you got. So like and subscribe for more videos about cars. Anything that y'all like, just leave it down in the comment. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway of a free boat. I mean, it's like a DIY, you know, you can fix it up however you want it. Like and subscribe. First to 1,000 likes, well, if we're first to 1,000 likes, I'll let y'all know who I'll pick to get a free boat. Let me know about you, and we'll go from there. Thank you.